Today, guys, we will be having destruction. I'll be testing if this guy knows how to drive a whatever he calls his flying madoodle. Well, let's go. Let's not leave him waiting. This guy do a crash landing. Let's find out. As you could see, that did, well, actually, you can't really see. It's not in front of the screen. But he's still in there. He's still alive. We want him dead. This guy's been asking me if he could stay in my house for weeks, and I keep saying yes because my wife keeps saying, be nice, be nice. Wait, I'm not dating anyone. Okay, this time I'm gonna wabooey. Time to get canceled. Okay, I'm gonna drop it from higher up. Okay, damage is actually interesting this time, so I'm actually gonna sew it. So we got, well, his head's, well, actually he's wearing a helmet, he's still gonna be safe. But all the 2 pieces came off. But, maybe we do like, maybe he's going in, maybe he's sliding in to like a plane to go land. Oh, sorry guys. I put you guys on the floor. So maybe he like lands off the runway, so he gets damage when we like throw him, but like on the ground, but then he slides off, so. Damage. He flew out, but he's still okay. Ooh, if he was still in there. Actually, the rest kind of held up. Let's just... Trying to become a better cameraman for video better. I'm trying to make it... I can't see since I'm looking through the camera. That's There we go. Look, now he's going back up. Okay, he's trying to land again. See? See, I knew what was in him. Okay, time to drop him. Speak to me, man. Speak. He's not breathing. I don't think the spaceship is either. Oh my god. I don't think I'm gonna be able to rebuild this. Good thing I have a second one. Let me just rebuild this if I could find all the pieces. Couldn't find the last piece. I was able to build the rest, but there's, yeah, you could Yeah, you can see that. Well, one more thing. Hello, Bob, or whatever your name was from that Star Wars movie. Because it's definitely not Bob. You could look up now. Wow. This is all that's left of him now. This is all that's left. I was a couple minutes into wrapping this up until I noticed that this guy seen me cave that guy's skull in, so the fair thing to do is like, I don't know, cave his skull in, so I'm trying to make sure you guys can see his head get caved in, so. This is all that I could find. Who said not to get rid of the evidence? Getting rid of the evidence is the best. Pants, like, is he trying to do the Michael Jackson? What happened to the pants? No, dude. Oh no. The arm has nothing done. Time to place it back again. Okay. Time to drop it again. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. I'm gonna sew the foot in a sec, but the legs. But except the arm hasn't really got any damage done. I think I heard something fly. This is what both of them look like. They are both really messed up, so time to put them back. I just hit them again a couple times and they're a little flat. Whatever. Well, for the video. If you like distraction, I don't know, do something. Destroy. Yeah.